I will never look at a leaky faucet the same way again. Here's why you shouldn't either. Water damage can strike when you least expect it. Whether it's a burst pipe, storm flooding, or an appliance leak, acting fast is critical. Within 24 hours, mold can start forming. At Fast Track Restoration, we specialize in water damage mitigation and restoration in Mesa, Arizona. Water spreads fast, seeping into walls, floors, and furniture. That's why we provide 24/7 emergency response. Every second counts. Our team coordinates with licensed subcontractors to handle water extraction, drying, and property restoration. We oversee the process to ensure efficiency and quality results. We don't just manage cleanup, we help prevent future issues like structural weakening, mold growth, and air quality concerns. From damage mitigation and drying to full-scale restoration coordination, we ensure your space is safe and habitable again. If water damage strikes, don't wait, every second counts. Call now, 623-303-3396. Serving Mesa, Arizona and surrounding areas.